Hi guys, welcome back to X-Brain Studio. So this isn't a full tutorials. This is just more of like a quick tech tips that I thought it might help a lot of you here. Well, have you ever find yourself in a situation where you have multiple YouTube accounts and then you want to delete the old ones and keep the current one, but deleting the old one is the problem? Well, sometimes it becomes so frustrating when you want to delete your old account. But then, it's not about you cannot delete the account. It's about the procedures. What you can do to delete those accounts from your Gmail account. And know that your Gmail account is connected to your YouTube. So if you want to delete your YouTube channel, you had to go into your Google account, which is your Gmail account, and delete your YouTube channel completely from your Google account. Well, I have also encountered that same situation where I created multiple accounts, which is my YouTube channel, and I had the correct one that I wanted to keep, but the old one keeps giving me headache. Sometimes it becomes so difficult, so frustrating. Guess what? I found a solution to delete my YouTube channel completely from Google account. I realized many people might run into that same issue. So I recorded a quick walkthrough to show you the exact steps on how to delete your YouTube channel completely. Stick around. This content is super short but very useful. And don't worry, my next full tutorial will still be on our very poster design, just as I promised in my previous tutorials. This one is just a helpful tip in between. Alright, so what you need to do now is click on YouTube. At the right bottom corner, that is your profile. Click on your profile. Under your profile, click on Google Accounts. Under your Google Accounts, you see your personal information, data and privacy, and click on Data and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and look for the information, which is App and Services. The very first one, Content Saved from Google Service. Click on it. This will direct you to your Google account. This is where you will find your YouTube account linked to your Gmail, which is your Google account. Tap on Delete a Service. This is directing you to your account. Now you need to enter your password before you can take any action. I'll go ahead and enter my password. Please enter your correct password. I only have one social media account connected or linked to your Google account, that is YouTube. Click on the delete icon. You have two options. One says, I want to hide my channel. The second one says, I want to permanently delete my content. So select the second one, the drop down arrow. And over here, you have two options. Check all the two boxes you see over there. And then when you are done, click on Delete My Content. You will need to confirm if you truly want to delete your YouTube channel account. Re-enter your email. After you are done, click on Delete My Content. Your YouTube account has successfully been deleted now. So this is just a simple step that you can use to delete your YouTube channel. Finally, you have been able to delete your YouTube channel completely from your Google account. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech tips.